professionals, welcome back to our channel. In this video today we are going to dive into some essential English tips that can help you shine in your career. Whether you're writing emails, giving presentations or trying to communicate more effectively, these tips will definitely make a big difference. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about email etiquette. A well-written email can leave a lasting impression. Here are some key points to remember. Use a clear subject line. This helps the receiver understand the purpose of your email instantly. For example, meeting agenda for July 20th. Keep it concise. Busy professionals appreciate brevity. Get to the point quickly and avoid unnecessary details. Professional tone. Use polite and formal language. Avoid slang or overly casual phrases. Proofread. Typos and grammatical errors can make you look really unprofessional. Take a moment and review your email before hitting the send button. Now let's tackle presentations. Whether you are talking to a small audience or a large audience, these tips will help you deliver your message effectively. Structure your content. Start with an introduction, followed by main points and then conclusion. This helps to make sure that your audience is engaged and ensures that they are following your train of thought. Practice, practice, practice. Rehearse your presentation multiple times. This will boost your confidence and help you catch any areas that need improvement. Engage with your audience. Make eye contact, use hand gestures, and ask questions to keep your audience involved. Visual aids. Use slides, charts, and images to support your point. Make sure they are clear and not overloaded with information. Now let's discuss professional vocabulary. Expanding your vocabulary can make your communication more impactful and precise. Here are few tips. Learn industry-specific terms. Make sure you are familiar with the words that are used in your field. This will help you communicate with your colleagues and clients effectively. Avoid filler words. Words like like can make you feel less confident. Practice speaking clearly and directly. Finally, let's not forget about active listening. Good communication is a two-way street. Here is how you can be a better listener. Give your full attention. Put your phones away and make eye contact with the speaker. Show that you are listening. Nod, smile, and use verbal cues like I see, go on to show that you are engaged. Ask questions. Clarify the points that you don't understand and show that you are interested in what speaker is saying. So there you have it, our top English tips for professionals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Until next time, keep learning and stay professional.